Hello folks, this is Aditya from InspiredRise.com and today we are going to unbox and review the Honor 9A smartphone. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the Honor 9A. This is the official box. Inside you get the smartphone and it comes with all of these stickers, packaging, etc. And if you look closely, you'll see that it also has the 3.5mm jack. Inside you get the SIM to ejector tool, you get the documentation, the TPU cover for the smartphone along with the charging module for this one with a micro USB cable. Now let's talk about the built-in design. At the back you get the fingerprint sensor. The camera module is almost flat and it looks really premium. It has a polycarbonate body. On the right hand side you get the power button and the volume rocker for the smartphone, the Honor branding, consumer electronics written at the back. It comes with a 6.3-inch HD plus dewdrop display. It's an LCD display and the colors are good enough in the price range. And if I talk about overall experience, I felt that it was good. The speaker on this one is a mono speaker, but it's pretty good and loud. And if we talk about few other things, this smartphone is really handy at 9mm thin and it's just 185 grams. So the ease of usage for this smartphone is really good. So it's really easy to hold it and use single-handedly. It comes with a Helio P22 chipset, 3GB of RAM, 64GB internal storage and also has a dedicated microSD card slot. Inside it comes with Android 10 based Magic UI. The Magic UI does not support Google applications because of the whole Huawei and Trump thing. But still, there is the app gallery which gives you access to almost all of the applications that you might need for a good experience, and there's also the petal search which allows you to search for applications from third-party stores, etc. WhatsApp works, but there's no Google Drive backup. Similarly, a lot of other applications work, but sometimes the lack of Google applications and Google Play services will hit you really hard. If we talk about games, you can download PUBG from the official site and play PUBG on the smartphone. I use GFX tool in order to reduce the settings because otherwise PUBG was lagging severely on this device. But with the settings reduced to very low and almost everything set to very low like 768x432 resolution, I was able to play PUBG smoothly with almost like consistently 40 to 50 FPS on this device. And it was an okay experience, nothing really that great. I was able to play Call of Duty also on low settings on this smartphone by side loading the APK from APK Pure. Overall, I felt that this is a good smartphone for a lot of people who are looking for a handy backup smartphone and are willing to go for a smartphone with a good camera. It comes with a 13-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. There's also a 5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. If I talk about the image quality, in this price range, I feel it's one of the best cameras around because a lot of smartphones which take similar videos and similar pictures are priced slightly higher than this one. So in this specific price range, it's one of the better camera smartphones around. But in low light, it does suffer as it's not a really great flagship device or maybe even a higher end device. So for a budget device, I felt that the images and video was still good enough. This smartphone would be available in black and blue colors, and any app which requires Google login won't work, something like Uber won't work, and a lot of other applications might not work. But if you want to use UPI, you can use Paytm or Bheem UPI or even PhonePe application, but Google Pay won't work. And similarly, you would need to find a lot of alternatives for other different applications which you might want to use in day-to-day usage. This smartphone is priced at a price of around 9,999 rupees, and at such a price point it competes directly against the likes of other smartphones from companies like Xiaomi and Infinix. And at such a price point, it does have its disadvantages in the form of non-availability of Google applications, but on the other hand, the good display, battery, the camera and everything else makes it a good choice for a lot of people. It has a 5000 mAh battery, and I guess in this particular price segment it makes for a good multimedia consumption smartphone. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and to subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.